drink of oxygens.
You
But
need
it's with the Abus80ti50 and the potatoes is just about boil.
and it's 69
Yeah, do you want to give that to the chickens? You want to do the chickens or the compost? That's the chickens.
I'm doing compost.
Really? Let's put on this side. Do you want thanks, buddy. Brilliant.
How much there is to go? It's teensy bit out here.
Broccoli,
Okay.
capsicum, how about some capsicum?
Whoa.
Alright, the choices: carrot, corn, capsicum, celery. Some capsicum and celery.
Yeah. Not
Okay.
just capsicum. Not celery.
The tucci.
Why does it always have to be celery in here? Why do we have to have that 2 nights in a row?
Because I said so.
No.
And then I don't have to cook. And tomorrow when I'm not cooking either, cleaning.
What is it? Where's the look at? What?
Hey, don't make big noise. Do you want to taste mince by itself?
You're putting my rices away. I want to go.
The quince. Well, it's turning into paste now. No, you won't till you taste the quince paste. Which is quince's with your
Just
sugar.
this. Just this.
You won't like it like that. They're not nice like that.
Alright, cut it.
That is cooked, that's been cooked and chopped up into tiny bits. Do you like that it's quite sour? Do you like that? Because I could cook and chop some up and dry it and then dehydrate it.
Yes. How's this not open?
If you touch that with your fingers and then dry your hands.
I'm feeding Daisy. I'm teaching her stuff.
Okay, go teach you something.
How much do you have to teach a dog?
Oh, maybe 2 or 3? You don't even have to straighten because she's done the thing. You're
Yeah.
teaching her. I should phrase this thing.
I think the dogs are up to no good. Hey, Ez, did you put the dogs in the kennel because they went somewhere?
No.
Did you put the dogs in the kennel because they went somewhere?
No. Oh, this might be mine.
Oh yeah. What's that? Who? Oh, from the shop. Thomas has got his motorbike fixed after that crash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can hardly see this. Man, my eyes are so crappy now. Come on, eyes. Oh, just trying to, like, see things. Oh, yeah, that's right. Get in there.
I need a vivid.
A vivid.
I need a vivid.
You know what they call vivids in Aussie?
What?
Texters.
Can I have a texter, please?
A texter.
I mean, the texter. It's just a brand.
A vivid.
Vivid is also a brand. I need a permanent marker. And then both these things need to go in a freezer.
What are both these things I'm concentrating? I'm trying to be a locksmith.
I'm trying to make
I'm pretending
food
to
for
be a
winter.
locksmith. Sounds a bit like you're a prepper.
Well, it's way more useful than being a locksmith.
No, everybody needs a
Food
locksmith.
trumps locksmithing.
No way.
I'm sorry, if you are starving because of global crisis, would you rather have a locksmith or a food prepper?
Well, that depends. If you're starving, there's food on the other side of a locked door.
Stuart,
Wait, don't call me by my real name. This is a video for international
Make
stuff.
stewed apples and soup and put it in the freezer.
Oh crap, what's I doing?
Give me a permanent marker so I can date it.
I'm busy.
Stop arguing.
I've got one in my pocket, I'm just kind of in the middle of doing something very important.
Not a soup, didn't put it in the freezer.
What are we talking about?
Everything.
Yeah. Right, I think I actually followed the rules this time. Uh-oh. Mayday.
The man in that cat asked if you'd recovered.
Recovered? Oh, because I went into a clothes shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was pretty traumatized after that.